I love you because you understand, dear, every single thing I try to do. You're always there to lend a helping hand, dear. I love you most of all because you're you. No matter what the world may say about me, I know your love will always see me through. I love you for the way you never doubt me, but most of all, I love you because you're you. I love you because my heart is lighter every time I'm walking by your side. I love you because the future's brighter, the door to happiness you open wide. No matter what the world may say about me, I know your love will always see me through. I love you for 100,000 reasons, but most of all, I love you because you're you.
Kit, I choose to make this promise to you above all others. I promise to always be honest, trustworthy, and to never stop loving you. I promise to always make you laugh and to be there for you whenever you cry. I promise to undertake amazing adventures and build more perfect memories with you as we fly together into the forever and beautiful sky. These promises I make to you for the rest of our lives.
Peter, I choose you as my partner, my companion, and my equal. You are who I choose to grow old with, to build a life with through good times and bad. I promise to support you, comfort you, and laugh with you. Maybe not right now. I promise to respect you as your own person and continue to love you as I've loved you all these years. I make this promise to you, my best friend, my beloved, and my North Star. I will be faithful and understanding and cherish you for the rest of our days.
I give you this ring in the presence of our family and friends as a symbol of my commitment and as a celebration of our love for one another.
I give you this ring in the presence of our family and friends as a symbol of my commitment and as a celebration of our love for one another.
Love is the ultimate outlaw. It just won't adhere to any rules. The most any of us can do is to sign on as its accomplice. Instead of vowing to honor and obey, maybe we should swear to aid and abet. That would mean that security is out of the question. The words make and stay become inappropriate. My love for you has no strings attached. I love you for free.
I will love you forever, whatever happens, till I die and after I die. And when I find my way out of the land of the dead, I'll drift about forever, all my atoms till I find you again. I'll be looking for you every moment, every single moment. And when we do find each other again, we'll cling together so tight that nothing and no one will tear us apart. Every atom of me and every atom of you. We'll live in birds and flowers and dragonflies and pine trees and in clouds and in those little specks of light you see floating in sunbeams. And when they use our atoms to make new lives, they won't just be able to take one, they'll have to take two. One of you and one of me. Thank you.